Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In C4 DSA learning series, here we are going to learn one more concepts of DSA. Find the second maximum value within an array. In the last video, we have seen how we can find the largest or the maximum value from an array. Here we have to find out the second largest element from the array. So for that I just implement here, I say size of array and then I say second maximum means I say max2, then I have to find out, and I can say max2 and I say here printf, I say enter size of array like this, then I say scanf %t address of n like this way. Now I say num, the array size, array we want to declare, then I need to get the value in array, so I say enter %t elements in array. So whatever we will insert, those number of element we are going to insert in array. Then I say for int I equal to 0, I less than the size of array, I plus plus, then I use scanf, I say %t and I say num and I such a number of element we are going to insert in this array. Now I create one function, so I say int find we can say max2, then I say num means the array, then I say size of the array. Now I say max2 equal to find max2 num I pass and I pass n also size, then I printf, I say here that the second largest number is equal to %t and I can say that is max2. Now I just declare this function, I say find max2, then say I am int num the array, then int size, then we create here variable max2 here and I say int max, I say max is num 0 as usual for finding a max value, then I say for int I equal to 0, I less than the size of array, I plus plus, then I say if the num value, the position is I and I will start it from the first position, if it is greater than the max value, that means max is smaller 1, then we have to set max2 to max and we have to replace the maximum value with num. You see, the previous maximum value we will add into the max2 and the new maximum value we will insert to the max1. Else if, one more concept we have to check, that if the value in an array at I position is greater than the max2 but the value in an array is less than the max, means the value which is comes under the max2 and max, then what we have to take, then I need to say that is the max2 value like this. I have to check this, done. Now at the end I need to return the max2 value like this. So two condition we have to check here. Now we have the max 2 value. Try to do this. So I say GCC second max. Now I need we have some problem. So semicolon we need to add at the end of the prototype. Here we have to need the semicolon. That is the problem. Now once again I say GCC compiler. I say second max. Then we have a semicolon problem here also, no problem. Now is okay. CLS. Now I say a.exe. Let's say enter the size of the array. I say enter the size is 5. Suppose I enter 10, then I enter 20, then I say 80, then I say 50, then I say 60. So you see the second largest number is 60. Done. Once again we try to see. Suppose I say array size is 10 and I insert the element first, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, then eighth, then 9, then 10. So here I think 69 is the second element. You see 69 is here. We have a second largest value from the array. You see, like this way, just by very simple logic, you can find out the second largest value within a array using C programming language. I think you understand. If you learned something, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.